In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass. If you're back and you're ready for another DIY project. So in this project, I'm going to be refreshing a denim jacket, and I'm going to be taking my spin on one of the trendier techniques where you can upgrade a graphic tee to your denim jacket. And so I'm going to be using this old sleeveless graphic tee that I've been having for years that I used to wear out. It used to be my favorite sleeveless graphic tee, and so I'm going to be merging it with this denim jacket in a stylish way so that I can upgrade it and give it a refreshed and a really cute look. So if you want to see how this turns out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So I'm starting this project off on the back side of the denim jacket, and so I'm basically just trying to get everything as straight as I possibly can, and I'm trying to eyeball and measure exactly the amount of the graphic tee that I'm going to be needing to fill the seams of the back of the inside of this triangle on the back of the denim jacket. And you can definitely use measuring tape for this project. I just decided to eyeball everything and to make sure that I didn't cut too much off around the edges so that I would have enough room to fold them over when it was time for me to start gluing it to the jacket. So I actually ended up using two different fabric glues for this project because the first one that I had ended up running out. And so here I am just trying to squeeze the last little bit out of it. But basically what I'm going to start doing is just folding over the edges of the shirt and putting it inside of the seams of the denim jacket and just making sure that it looks seamless with me folding over the edges of the shirt. I have part of it done, I like to help it set, and I usually like to add something a little bit heavier on top of it so that the glue can set, so that I can finish working on the rest of the parts so that they won't come up while I'm finishing the rest of the jacket. And then I'm just following the same process for each side panel of this denim jacket that I'm trying to fit this shirt inside of. So I did the top, and then here I am just doing the right side of the jacket. And so I'm just cutting off the excess, and then I'm just going to glue it to the inside panel of the denim jacket. And I'm just going to be folding over the edges like I did the top side. And then after I got all of the graphic tee glued down on the back, then I flipped the jacket over on the front, and I decided to use the inside tag of the graphic tank because it had Back to the Future, the actual logo on it, and I decided to cut that up as well since I might as well just use all parts of the shirt. And so I used that part of the logo, and I decided to add that to the pocket of the denim jacket using the same technique with cutting around the image and then folding over the edges and gluing it to the inside seam of the pocket of the front of the jacket. created a slit where the button goes so that you could easily still button the jacket. And for the last finishing touch, I added an iron-on patch to one of the sleeves. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.